knew that was gonna happen.
Just missed the house.
Ah, I was standing right in the doorway when it happened. I told him about this tree. Didn't I tell you about this tree where it was missing half of it?
I bet you my shed got damaged.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, you take pictures of that.
Well, I'll tell you what. That is one strong shed. Because the... I'm not really... It's hard telling, you know, you won't really know until you get this out of here. Your grill might have taken a smacking. That's under a big branch.
Yeah, you said that tree wasn't safe.
Yeah, when that branch broke off a couple of years ago.
You know what? I'd like to have like the whole bunch of the shit gone.
Yeah, all these trees are dead. I was just filming on the other side just seconds ago. Yeah, I came over to this side. I was looking out going, oh, I ought to get my camera, and all of a sudden it went. I didn't have my camera in my hand because I just set it down. It was unbelievable.
Imagine what the hell made that noise. I thought maybe the furniture fell over.
Yeah, I had no idea what that was.
I wouldn't have been here either. I was supposed to work tonight. My boss talked me into staying home because I've got a sinus infection.
Yeah?
She says, you're not going to work. I says, I'm all dressed. She says, I'll find somebody to go for you.
Yeah, you'll have to wait until this windstorm's over to, you know, start that. And I don't know, do you call somebody like you know, tell Ronnie or somebody that, hey, a tree just fell down on my house?
Yeah, I don't even know.
Yeah,
call him.
Call insurance company.
Well, everything's
you know,
insured.
because they gotta, yeah, but they gotta come out here and check it out or whatever. They want some video footage.
Before they clear it up?
Well, you got it on video right now. But yeah, your deck shattered right there.
Yeah.
And, you know, you'll have to wait.
Size of that.
Yeah, you'll have to wait until the rest of it, you know, until it's removed.
Size of that thing.